Just like fire, burning up the way, rocking the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like magic, I'll be flying free. I'ma disappear when they come for me. No one can be just like me anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a comparison video. So I don't know if you guys been seeing the new Shea Moisture product that they've been doing some sponsored videos, and it's been on their silicone free miracle styler leave-in treatment, and they've been comparing it to the It's a 10, and this is a sample bottle that I received a while back, and this one has keratin in it. So yeah, I've been seeing the reviews and I really wanted to do the comparison myself and give you guys my honest opinion. My video is not sponsored, so if you're interested in hearing what I have to say about these two products, let's get started. You guys, I use both products, and I use, It's a 10 on one side, and I use the Shea Moisture on the other side, and I did this style. So please stay tuned. At the end, I will tell you guys which side have which product in it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay y'all, so first we're going to talk about Shea Moisture, their sugarcane extract metal form seed silicone free miracle styler leave-in treatment with marshmallow root. A mouthful. Okay, and it says it's for all hair types, and it says this leave-in treatment, it detangles, it makes your hair soft, it cuts down your drying time, it adds shine, it reduces frizz, makes your hair more silky, and it protects against heat damage. So you can use this if you want to use any heat on your hair. Also, the sugarcane extract, it says it's an alternative to the silicone. The metal form seed oil, it says it has beneficial properties like moisturizing, color protection, and shine. And we all know the marshmallow root, it helps detangle. So this product says don't have no sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, all that kind of stuff. But I'm looking at some of the ingredients, and some of them look questionable. So I will try to make sure that I put the ingredients in the description box. They don't all look so natural. So you guys, let's talk about, first we're going to talk about the price of this product. So I picked this product up from CVS, and this was $16.99. Okay, did y'all hear me? $16.99. Okay, and when I finished paying for it, it was $18.52. This was almost $20. I never paid that much for a Shea Moisture product, so that is a lot. I'm not gonna sugarcoat that. That was a lot, and I did not like paying that much for. You only get 8 ounces, so that's like a no for me. But next, the spray bottle. So I really do like the packaging. I like the colors and all that. That's nice. But this spray bottle, like, I did not like the spray bottle. I'm gonna spray this so you guys can see. So wait, let me open it. Is it open? Okay, here we go. So you can see that spraying out. Like, that is not enough coming out for me. So for me, I do not like the top. For me, I just have to open it and then just put some in my hand. It's just not enough, so I don't like that. The smell of this product it's perfumey. Like, it does have a kind of a loud smell. It's not bad. It's not the worst product. The worst product from Shea Moisture that I have smelled is the Omega 369. Like, that one was the worst for me. It's not as bad as that one. I can deal with it, but it is perfumey. So if you don't like that perfumey smell, you won't like this. And it does linger, because while I was taking my hair down, I just started smelling it even more. So yes, it does linger. Next, when I applied this to my hair, so I applied this on dry hair, and It has marshmallow root, so that helps detangle. It did help detangle. It wasn't the best detangler, but it did help detangle my hair some. But I found that I had to use a lot of this product to detangle. Like, it just didn't melt my tangles away. I felt like I just needed more and more product. So this product is very lightweight. It's very lightweight. And also, I did not feel like this was moisturizing. I did not feel like it was moisturizing at all. It's very lightweight. So it felt like I just needed to keep applying more and more. But other than that, you know, I went ahead and started styling my hair. So I did a twist and curl. And like I said, I feel like I used more of this than I had to use with the It's a 10. But I mean, I have to take a deep breath, because really, I mean, it's an okay product, but I feel like I could get something cheaper and still get probably better results. But I mean, it's an okay product. We'll get to that, guys. I'm gonna come back after I finish reviewing the It's a 10 and tell you guys a little bit more of how I feel about the Shea Moisture product. Okay, so now we're going to talk about It's a 10. So this is their 4-ounce bottle, and like I said, this is a sample size. I did not have to buy this, but in the stores this is around $21. And it says It's a 10. It's a miracle leave-in, and this does have the keratin in it, and it says that it does 10 things. So this you want to use, it says it's gosh, if I can get my words out. It says it maintains keratin straightening treatments. It increases manageability. It's perfect for all hair types. It replaces lost protein. It protects the natural keratin in hair. It protects against heat. Restores hydration balance. It detangles and defrizzes and adds shine. It strengthens your hair. And it seals your hair for extra silky hair. So yeah, so it claims to do all of that. And also, I like the packaging. I like their packaging. First we're going to talk about the price. So like I said, it costs $21, and I did not have to buy this, but that would be a problem. Like, $21, that's a lot. Yeah, I don't think I would have this if if it wasn't a sample, but I'm glad I got to try it. The smell, I don't really know what it smells like. It's really soft. It's not loud. I can really deal with this. It does not linger, and it does not bother me at all. So it has a nice scent to it. I'm going to spray this on my hand. First, let's talk about the top. I really like this top because the way it spray out, it gets on more of the hair. So I'm going to spray this on my hand. You can see that you get more out. And if you can see that, it's very it's not watery, it's creamy. So I really like the way this sprays, the way it comes out. So with this product, you guys, like I said, I did my hair on dry hair, and when I sprayed this onto my hair, this stuff melts. I mean, it melts my tangles away. I was like impressed. I was like, because if you can see, the bottle is like halfway gone. I haven't used this in a long time, but it melted my tangles away. I was impressed, and I really did not have to use as much as I had to use with the Shea Moisture one. So I'm very impressed by that. So yeah, and it felt really good going on to my hair. So you guys, applying this was very easy. It went on to my hair very smooth. So I really didn't have any issues with the It's a 10. So you guys, now comparing it to Shea Moisture product, like I said, the smells, this one smells a lot louder. This one smells better to me, and I really like the It's a 10 spray bottle. It sprays out better, and you can get more out. This one is just like, ain't nobody got time for that. I'd rather just take the top off and pour it in my hand. Also, this one, Shea Moisture, is lightweight. I don't know if I showed you guys on my hand. So if you can see that, it's very lightweight. So I feel like the Cetearyl is a little bit thicker than the Shea Moisture one, but in detangling, the Cetearyl detangled way better than Shea Moisture. So now we're gonna I'm gonna tell you guys which side is which. Guys, so on this side of my hair, I have the Cetearyl, and if you can see that, y'all, my hair feels so soft and it's so fluffy, and I just love the way it feels. So yeah, this side is the Cetearyl. Now on this side we have Shea Moisture, and don't get me wrong, the Shea Moisture side feels soft, but the Cetearyl feels softer. It just like this side just feels better. Both sides look good. The Shea Moisture side may look a little shinier, maybe, but honestly, if I had to choose, you guys, if I had to choose, I would choose Cetearyl. Now, I don't like the price on neither one of these products. Like, the price on this is awful. The price on this is awful. I don't like the price on neither one. But as far as styling goes, if I had to choose, I definitely would choose the Cetearyl. I think the Cetearyl would be great for heat styles because it has the protein in it. And so I think that will be helpful in the heat not really harming your hair. So I really would use this if I was doing heat styling. If you just want to do a natural style and just use this as a leave-in for your curly hair, the Shea Moisture would be good. But for me, honestly, I would not pay almost $20 for this product. Not at all. So I really don't recommend this. Now, is it, I mean, you can see my hair, it gives good results. It's a nice product, but I definitely would not pay that much for this product. Now, I really like this product. I really like it. But like I said, this was a sample given to me, and $21 for a product, for $21, like, that is a stretch for me. Also, Cetearyl is also very expensive. I don't see myself paying $21 for this. Maybe they have a smaller bottle, the ones that the other YouTubers are using in their video. They have one in the stores a little bigger than that, and it's about $12. So if I really wanted to use it, I would get the small bottle because a little bit of this goes a long way. But yeah, I really just wanted to come on and let y'all know that is my honest opinion about these products. They both are decent products, but you know, like I said, I would choose the Cetearyl. I don't like the price on either one of these products, but like I said, Shea Moisture, that $20, almost $20, that's too much. I mean, that's just too much. And I think it's also too much for Cetearyl. But like I said, they do have a smaller bottle that's like $12, but I really like this one over the Shea Moisture. I just do. I mean, this is just my honest opinion. You guys let me know how you feel about both products. Will you try the Shea Moisture? Have you tried the Cetearyl? Let me know, like, would you try either of the products, why you would try it, and tell me why you wouldn't try the products if you would not buy it. So please leave a comment. Let's get the discussion started. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.